Air and Water Part 2. Water is one of the most significant natural resources of the earth and is required by all living beings. About 3/4 of the earth's surface is covered by water. But drinkable water is very less, which is about 3%. Rest all 97% water is salt water. Water is used for drinking, washing hands, brushing teeth, for bathing, cooking food, and watering plants. It is also used in irrigation. Electricity is also produced by water. Sources of water. Rainwater is the main source of fresh water. Other natural sources of water includes ocean, ponds, lakes, rivers, etc. Impurities in water are of two types: soluble impurities and insoluble impurities. Impurities that can be dissolved in water are called soluble impurities, for example, salt or any other chemical. Insoluble impurities are those impurities which cannot be dissolved in water, for example, sand and mud. We can remove insoluble impurities from water by following the process of sedimentation, decantation and filtration. Sedimentation is a process in which impurities settle down and we get clear water. फिर उस क्लियर वाटर को विदाउट डिस्टर्बिंग द सेडिमेंट्स एक दूसरे बीकर में निकाल लेते हैं. दिस प्रोसेस इज कॉल्ड एज डिकेंटेशन. द प्रोसेस ऑफ रिमूविंग सस्पेंडेड इम्प्योरिटीज यूजिंग अ फिल्टर पेपर इज कॉल्ड एज फिल्ट्रेशन. जो इम्प्योरिटीज फिल्टर पेपर में आ जाती हैं दैट इज कॉल्ड एज रेसिड्यू. रिमूवल ऑफ soluble impurities from water. First process is by evaporation. Second process is by distillation. Purification of drinking water. The water that we drink must be pure, as impure water is harmful to us and cause many diseases. We can purify the water by using the following methods. First method is by boiling. Boiling kills bacteria and makes the water pure. Second is chlorination. The process of adding chlorine to water in order to kill the germs and make it safe for drinking is called as chlorination. Water